In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to ConvertKit. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Adding a GIF can really liven up your emails and make your content more engaging, so let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to have your GIF ready. If you don't already have a GIF in mind, there are plenty of great websites where you can find them. Sites like Giphy or Tenor are treasure troves of fun and animated GIFs. Just search for whatever fits the mood or message you want to convey. Once you find the perfect GIF, you'll want to download it to your device. Make sure to save it in a location where you can easily find it later, like your desktop or a dedicated folder. Next, let's head over to ConvertKit. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's super easy to set up, and you'll be able to begin crafting those engaging emails right away. Once you're logged into your ConvertKit dashboard, navigate to the email section. You can either create a new email or edit an existing one. Now, as we're composing your email, look for the spot where you want to add your GIF. This is where the fun begins. To insert your GIF, click on the Image button in the Editor toolbar. This option allows you to upload images from your computer, and yes, that includes GIFs. A dialog box will pop up prompting you to choose the file. Click on the Upload button and navigate to the folder where you saved your GIF earlier. Select the GIF and click Open. It will start uploading, and you'll see it appear within the email editor once it's done. Now, after the GIF uploads, you'll have the option to add a title attribute and adjust the alignment. Keep in mind that adding a title can be beneficial for recipients who might not see the GIF immediately, as well as for accessibility. Choose what alignment you prefer, left, center, or right, and adjust the size of the GIF if necessary. You can usually set that in the image settings. Once you're happy with how it looks, take a moment to preview your email. This step is incredibly important. Click on the Preview button to see how everything is laid out. Make sure the GIF loads correctly and looks vibrant and engaging. You wouldn't want to send out an email with a broken link or an image that's too large and distorts your layout. After you've done your preview and everything looks great, it's time to send your email. But hold on just a second. If you have any links or call to action buttons, double check those too. It's easy to get caught up in looking at the GIF and forget about ensuring the rest of your content is top-notch. Once you're satisfied with the entire email, you can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. Scheduling can be really beneficial if you want to send your emails at the optimal time for engagement. And that's it! Adding a GIF to your ConvertKit emails is a straightforward process, and it can really help to enhance the communication with your audience. Remember, engaging visuals are often what keeps subscribers interested and eager to open your emails, so don't hesitate to shake things up with those delightful little animations. If you liked this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world. Also, feel free to drop any questions or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. I love hearing from you and helping out wherever I can.